Hey, it's Ivan from This is San Diego, and in this episode, we're taking you to Bressi Ranch. Let's check it out. Bressi Ranch is a small, family-friendly neighborhood located in Carlsbad. This area enjoys a mild subtropical Mediterranean climate, and it's just a short drive from the beach. Residences in this community are primarily owner-occupied, although there are rentals available. And while most properties are detached homes, there are townhomes, condos, and apartments as well. So they say that it takes an entire village to build a community, and the Bressi Ranch Village Center does exactly that perfectly. This center features shopping, restaurants, and more, plus its relaxed atmosphere encourages walking, and dogs are welcomed. For families with kids or those who are still kids at heart, House of Air is a definite must. This is an adrenaline-pumping indoor trampoline park that offers a variety of programs and classes for both kids and adults. Designed to complement every lifestyle, Bressi Ranch will change your life. And located at the center of it all is Kensington at the Square, an awesome new community that features townhomes and flats by Shea Homes. Well, I hope you enjoyed your exclusive look into Bressi Ranch. For more information about this beautiful community, send us a private message or leave us a comment below. My name is Ivan from This is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. See you next time.